Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a bright and talented teenager named Mia. Mia was like any other girl her age, filled with dreams, aspirations, and a zest for life. But Mia had one thing that made her feel different from others: her acne. The persistent pimples and blemishes on her face had earned her the unfortunate nickname, Acne Girl. Mia's acne wasn't just a cosmetic issue, it impacted her deeply. She felt embarrassed and often tried to hide her face behind her long hair or under layers of makeup. She avoided mirrors and dreaded school, where she felt everyone was staring at her skin rather than her. Her once bubbly personality began to fade as insecurity took over. One day, Mia's school announced an annual talent show. Mia was a fantastic singer and had always dreamed of performing on stage, but the thought of standing in front of a large audience terrified her. She didn't want to be Acne Girl on stage, she wanted to be Mia, the singer with a beautiful voice. Mia's best friend, Emma, noticed her hesitation and gently encouraged her. "Mia, you have an amazing voice. Don't let anything hold you back. People should see the real you beyond the acne." Despite her doubts, Mia decided to audition. Her passion for singing outweighed her fears. On the day of the audition, Mia was nervous but determined. As she stood in front of the judges, she closed her eyes and sang her heart out. Her voice soared, filling the auditorium with a melody so pure and captivating that it brought tears to the eyes of many. When she finished, the room erupted in applause. Mia made it to the talent show. The weeks leading up to the talent show were a roller coaster. Mia faced cruel comments and jokes about her appearance. She struggled, but Emma's unwavering support and her own love for singing kept her going. She practiced daily, focusing on her voice rather than her skin. On the night of the talent show, Mia felt a surge of anxiety. She looked at herself in the mirror, her acne still prominent despite the makeup. But then, she took a deep breath and remembered Emma's words, "People should see the real you." Mia realized that her talent, her voice, and her spirit were what truly defined her, not her acne. With newfound confidence, Mia walked onto the stage. As the spotlight hit her, she felt a mix of fear and exhilaration. The audience fell silent as the music began. Mia started to sing, her voice powerful and full of emotion. The audience was captivated, not by her appearance, but by her talent. By the end of her performance, the entire auditorium was on their feet, cheering and clapping. Mia felt a rush of pride and joy. For the first time, she saw herself not as Acne Girl, but as Mia, the talented singer. News of Mia's incredible performance spread through the school. Students and teachers approached her with compliments and apologies. They realized they had been focusing on the wrong thing all along. Mia's bravery and talent inspired many. She received an outpouring of support, and slowly, the nickname Acne Girl faded away. Mia continued to pursue her passion for singing, but more importantly, she learned to accept herself. Her acne didn't define her, her spirit and talent did. She became a symbol of resilience and self-acceptance, inspiring others to embrace their true selves. And so, Mia's journey from insecurity to confidence taught her and those around her a valuable lesson: our worth is not determined by our appearance but by our actions, talents, and hearts. Mia's story became a beacon of hope, proving that with courage and self-acceptance, we can overcome any obstacle. Thanks for watching.